Hey guys, so it's been raining here the past couple days and I just got home from work. I don't know if I'm gonna have time to get out, get to the lake, so I'm gonna fix up these reels while I've got some downtime. So this one seems to be running all right, but there it goes. See, now it's locking up pretty good sometimes. Let's see if it'll do it again. Yeah, there it goes. So I'm gonna fix that on this one. All it takes is this little bitty part. I ordered 4 of them just so I had extras. So we're gonna fix that on this reel, and this old reel actually has the same problem. This was my first reel that I bought with my own money. So I'm gonna see if I can fix it up just for sentimental value's sake. I don't know, I may use it some more, but it does the same type deals. Alright, so I may do just a quick time lapse of that. Okay, so this is what we're getting at right here. Let's see if we can get this washer out. You need to make sure you save that washer. Don't lose it. The trickiest part is actually getting the thing out. So you can kind of see it's raised up a little bit there. There. And you can pop it out. Let's get a new one. So these are super cheap. It was like $4. So we'll see. I'll keep taking a look at it. If this issue crops up again in the next, I don't know, couple months, then it's probably a problem with the actual worm gear, which is a little bit more difficult to replace, but still not too bad. Pop it in there. Just kind of let it get tracked in. There it goes. You see it pop in there? Now it's tracking better. Okay, so I'm just going to take this washer, set it back right on top there. A little dab of oil. That was really probably way more than I needed. And cap it back up. I'm just going to do this finger tight for now. Make sure it tracks right. It's tracking a lot better now. It doesn't do that. Yep, look at it. Look how smooth it goes. I'm gonna add just a little bit oil of this. I think some of it's gotten messed up. That smooths it out a bit. Yep. So putting it back together now. the part that I just put in there was not actually for this reel. So this is what came out of it, and you can, I don't know if you can see that. See if I can make it focus on that. But it's pretty tore up. This is what the other one looked like that came out of the newer reel. It's not as bad, but it's enough to make it not track. So here's a moment of truth. And it looks like it's tracking pretty good. Let's see what, oh, hang on. The guide bar is going along with it. It's tracking. No. I think this one is, I think this one's too skinny. These new ones. This one has a much thicker track, I guess you could call it. So, oh well. Something I am going to try is just turning it around backwards, and we'll see if that helps it track better. Alright.